welcome back to our channel. Recently we have surpassed 300 subscribers and 5000 views. So today we have a sweet surprise for you. I was deciding between the dessert and a pan. So we got to know that there is a place called Pan Studio where pan and dessert is combined together and they are serving that together. So Pan Studio serves you 150 plus varieties of different unique pans. This is Adarsa MJ from Namabengaluru, Utah. You are watching the 8th episode of Eat Your Heart Out. If you are watching our channel for the very first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. Share the video with your loved ones to bring a smile on the face. Give a thumbs up if you like the video and please let us know your favorite pan or favorite part of the video in the comment section. Pan Studio was started on Jan 1st, 2021. And the concept behind the Pan Studio is to bring back the culture or the tradition of having pan, which was spoiled over the year by including the tobacco and other things along with the pan. So here you can come and enjoy the pan without worrying about the health, since all the pan served here are tobacco free, and you can come along with your family and have pan here. So this is the first time we are visiting the pan shop, and we also got to know that Pan Studio is first of its kind in Bangalore and across the India. So we are excited to taste few of these exclusive pans here. To begin with, I will start with the Ferrero Rocher pan. This pan looks so exotic. It has the chocolatey layer and Ferrero Rocher is stuffed on it. So I will take my first bite. Inside we have the betel leaf, gulkan and nuts also in it. Now I will take my big bite with the Ferrero Rocher itself. It has the crunchy note which comes from the Ferrero Rocher chocolate. The Ferrero Rocher, which is stuffed here, adds the rich character to it. And we have a large amount of gulkan and tutti fruities inside this. This tutti frutti adds the gummy and cooling texture to the bite. This is delicious. Now what we have is the gigantic Sahi pan, which has chocolate coating as the base, and then on top of that they have betel nut leaf, and then they have 3 layers of rich dry fruits, and along with that they have gulkan and dates also along with the dry fruits, and on top of that they have seasoned with the kesar layer and rose petals are garnished over it. It looks so tempting to me, so I will take my first bite of it. This is juicy inside with that gulkan syrup. Immediately when we put the pan into the mouth, we will feel that crackling of the nuts, and then when you bite it, you will feel the chewy texture of the gulkan and the dates which are added, and they have added the pan flavor also along with it. So this makes a heavy bite. The more time you spend with this Sahi pan, it will give you a way to find out the new dry fruits in between the bite. You will get a good treat to the taste buds as it has all the mixture of dry fruits in it. So the pan which I have in front of me is Nutella hazelnut pan. So it has the hazelnut on top of it, and it has a cherry fruit, and it is encased with the Nutella, I guess. I will take my first bite. And the core of the pan has that hazelnut, so it surprises you in every bite. This pan carries all the goodness of the hazelnut and the chocolatey taste of the Nutella. So this one is also one of the good pan which I have tasted here. Now what I have in front of me is the blueberry pan, which has an encased layer of blueberry, and few blueberries seasoned for the garnishing. Let me take that first bite. Blueberry has the tanginess which comes from the blueberry, and it has the tutti frutti inside of it, so it balances the tanginess and it gives the sweetness. And we can see that blueberry flavor is more evident here. Taste wise, it is mild in the sweetness. Now, what I have is Bounty Pan. I will take my first bite. It has that flavor of the coconut. So the name Bounty Pan came from the chocolate Bounty. So it was a coconut chocolate. So the name was kept such that the people who are coming here can relate to the chocolate and they can remember it and they can try it again and again when they come here. Bounty chocolate was soothing in its texture with the goodness of the coconut which comes from the Bounty chocolate. Next I would be trying out the mango pan. So which is basically the pan which is coated with the mango flavor and the cherries stuffed on top of it. I'm loving the mango actually. So it has the mango flavor very evident in it. And as usual, it has the tutti frutti and gulkan inside the pan. If you are a mango lover, you would definitely love this mango pan here. I think I am reaching the end of my appetite, so I am trying one more pan here. So this is also customer's favorite, Kaju Mawa pan. Kaju Mawa pan has the condensed milk or the kova in it, and also kaju layers in it. And this has the creamy texture which comes from the kova, and it has the kaju flavor more evident with it. This pan is fully loaded with the gulkan inside it. In between, we can get some cucumber seeds, which gives a cooling effect to our mouth. After having tasted many varieties of pans here, my favorite would be Sahi pan and Kaju Mawa pan. I would definitely come back here and taste these again and again. The pan here at Pan Studio has got whole new dimension to it. So after a heavy meal, if you are confused between whether to go for a dessert or a pan, you can come to the Pan Studio and have both together. So this is the place where you can come and enjoy the pan with your family. Since all the pans served here are tobacco free, you don't have to worry about your health. You can come and enjoy your own choice of the pan, which are ranging from varieties of pan including hazelnut and Ferrero Rocher pan. We have added the location and Google Map coordinates in the description. So please do visit Pan Studio and please let us know your favorite pan after trying it out here. Until we meet in our next episode, keep waiting, happy eating. Please do subscribe and share the video. Follow us on our social media handle to get the exclusive updates.